Hi everyone, I'm starting some more ornaments. Matte Mod Podge again. I put it in a little dish. And I have one of these ornaments from, I believe I got this one at Michael's. They have kind of a wider opening than the ones you get at the dollar store. And this is the type that's flat on the sides. I have made these before, but you have to start them, well, not necessarily start, but do them a little bit differently. I always start the same way with just having small pieces of fabric, and I just do around the top first because you don't want to have them trying to stretch too far and get wrinkly. So just a little bit at a time, and then I let that dry before I do anything else. Now these ones kind of have a lip on the flat side, so just be careful to go only to the edge of the lip and not too far out, because otherwise you can't get the top part back, you know, the little metal thingy back on top. Give yourself enough Mod Podge to go with here. Like that. And then just start sticking them on. And I stick them like in the middle. Stick it on the flat part and sort of spread it around. Like that. And then scob it with Mod Podge. Right up to the edge. And then over the top. There, like so. And with these flat ones, I kind of do like one side at a time, sort of, as far as the top part goes. Sorry if I'm jiggling. And then the next one can go, actually I need a little bit more right there. And then this one goes right next to it. Like that. And Mod Podge over top. Spread it out good. Try to take out any loose stray little bits of threads that come out. So eventually, that little gap right there, I'll have to put another piece in, but for now I'm just doing the top part. That one in there like that. Sorry, I was off camera. My apologies. Off phone, I should say. Pat it down a bit. Give it a smooth with your finger. And Mod Podge it. And then this one I didn't go right up to the very top. There's a bit of a gap, so I will put another one there. You can see it on this part. But you also don't want to have them like totally even on here. Like it has to be kind of random, otherwise it looks sort of goofy. I find anyway. I mean, I guess if you want to do it precise, you could do it that way, but I just like doing it this way better. So I will put another one, but it'll go more like this way when I come back to that part. Let me just do one more. And then you also, with these ones, because they have, like it's skinny on this end, so you have to put small pieces for sure down there. So let's just do a little bit of that right now and Mod Podge either side, because you can do them sideways as well. So right now, actually I think I will fill that little piece in. So let's get a small bit here like this one. So I'm just going to put this one across there to kind of cover that part up there that I just started. Smooth that down like that. So that part's not naked at the top anymore. There. And then you just sort of go, yeah, they're stuck together. My phone's jiggling. Sorry. Here's a little one. So you can do them like this down the side. And they will bend a little bit either way. But don't make a big piece. Or you can go long if you want. Long and skinny will wrap around nicely this way. I've done that before. Just make sure you don't make it too wide going this way, because otherwise it does wrinkle a bit and it looks kind of weird. So just Either small or long and skinny and wrapped around. But now you kind of get the idea. So there's the beginning of that one. I now have this ornament with the flat sides decoupaged all around the edges with small pieces. Oops, I missed a little bit right there. We'll have to fix that where that little hole is. But otherwise, it's all the way around, and I will start working on the sides. This ornament is all finished now, and I'm going to give it to my great niece that I made the Harry Potter quilt for. The background of it, as you can see from the previous videos when I was showing you the edging, is the Deathly Hallows sign. And then I had other fabric that had these big Hogwarts crests, so I cut out an oval, and there's one on each side. So that's a different twist you can do with these flat ornaments. You have something larger, you can put it on the side. Works pretty good. And I happen to have black ribbon. I believe I bought it at Dollarama that says Gold Merry Christmas. Works perfectly. All I did was take the end and use my hot glue gun and stick it together. And then I made like a loop knot on the hanger. Now this one is also finished. I'm just using the silver hanger that it came with because it looks cute. It kind of goes with the whole turquoise theme. This one is going to the friend that I made the stepladder quilt for because this fabric here is the border fabric on the quilt. So there's 2 more done.